Welcome to our detailed tutorial on setting up your personalized email signature in the Apple Mail app. Start by clicking Mail in the menu bar, then select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Signatures tab. Click the plus button at the bottom. Give your signature a name to help you organize multiple signatures for different purposes. Now, you can type or paste your signature in the Signature Editor box on the right. We will use a previously prepared one. Open your signature in Google Docs, select the entire signature, and copy it. Next, return to the Apple Mail app. Deselect the checkbox labeled Always Match My Default Message font to preserve the styles and layout we designed, and paste the signature into the editor area. The preview box may show blank rectangles for images, but don't worry, they will appear correctly when you use the signature in a message. If you have multiple email accounts, assign the new signature to a specific account by dragging its name to the desired account. Finally, let's ensure everything looks perfect. Send a test message to our email address. This is a great way to see your new signature in action, and we would love to know how you've personalized it. Compose a message, select the signature from the drop-down menu, and send the email. Your recipients will see your new signature when they receive your message. Congratulations! You've successfully added a personalized email signature to your Apple Mail app. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. Remember, a consistent and creative email signature can significantly enhance the impact of your communications. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below this video.